Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Tonight's dinner is beautiful chicken cacciatore made with drumsticks. It smells delicious and your family's gonna love it. Follow the steps and you can make it for them too. All right everybody, if you wanna make that delicious dinner, this is what you're gonna need. A nice large frying pan. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, good olive oil. I love Filippo Bed. That's the only one I use. I have a red pepper sliced, a white onion sliced. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have chicken drumsticks because they were all out of thighs, so I use this. I have a little bit of tomatoes, salt, pepper, and some oregano. That's it. And I'll show you how to start it. Okay, oil is nice and hot. We're going to start with the onions, and then some peppers. Okay. Now let this cook for a couple minutes. All right. And just break up the onions as you go along, because maybe they're still a little, connected. So cook this for about a minute or 2. Okay, now, when you can smell the peppers, that's a good start. So now those 2 cloves of garlic, okay, that's what I do. Throw them in, because you don't want it to burn. And I smash the garlic so you get that the oil from the garlic. Okay, and now, you get the chicken and just fill it in. And you're going to brown the chicken side by side. And I'll show you. Okay. As you can see, it's nice, a little brown. I flip them over. The peppers and the onions and garlic are still cooking. So now, this is just tomatoes, ones that I made. So all you do, add some tomatoes, lower the heat, salt, a little oregano, and peppers. And you know what? I decided to get some black olives and throw some black olives into there because I still have some from the other day. Done. Now I'm going to add a little water to this and throw it in. Okay, see? Little water. Cleaned out the jar. That's it. Okay? Just shake it up. Stir the peppers and everything together. Put a lid on it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, it's about a half hour. Chicken is done. Now, all you do is take the lid off until all the juices sink in. It dries up a little bit, whatever technical term you want to use. And I'll show you what it looks like. All right, everybody. This is it. The juices have cooked down, and now it's nice and thick, and it smells delicious. Only thing now is you have to taste it, see if it's good for the salt, and it is amazing. I hope your family loves it as much as mine does. I'll see you next time.